Hi everyone and welcome back to WEF World. I'm your host, Liam. Today we'll be exploring more of the Space and Rocket Center in Huntsville, Alabama. The center has multiple exhibit spaces. The first is the main exhibition building, which showcases various displays such as rockets, engines, spacecraft, simulators, and interactive exhibits. Another area is Rocket Park, which we've explored in a previous video. The Education Training Center is another important space, serving as a hub for educational programs and workshops, including space camps and STEM initiatives. Now, let's focus on the final exhibition space, the Davidson Center for Space Exploration. It was created to honor and preserve the restored Saturn V rocket, a significant engineering achievement of the 20th century. This facility opened on January 31, 2008, which marked the 50th anniversary of America's first satellite launch, Explorer 1. The highlight of the Davidson Center is its 476-foot-long display hall, where one of the three remaining Saturn V rockets is housed. This rocket, standing at 363 feet tall and weighing 6.2 million pounds when fully loaded, played a crucial role in taking humans to the moon. With its powerful engines capable of generating 7.6 million pounds of thrust, the Saturn V is considered the most powerful liquid fuel rocket ever built. The other two Saturn V rockets are located at the Kennedy Space Center in Florida and the Johnson Space Center in Houston. Additionally, the center features a 350-seat digital 3D theater, a gift shop, and a commercial kitchen to accommodate large groups of up to 1,400 visitors. Within the Davidson Center, you can explore artifacts related to the Apollo program and the missions to the moon. Exhibits include the service structure's red walkway and the White Room, where astronauts would cross on their way to the command module atop the Saturn V rocket, which served as their cabin for the journey to the moon and back. The Apollo 16 command module, which orbited the moon 64 times in 1972, is also on display. The Saturn V instrument unit, responsible for controlling the rocket's first stage engines, is showcased to highlight the complexity of that phase of the journey. There's also a mock-up of the lunar module, which was used to transport astronauts to the lunar surface and collect moon rocks, such as the Apollo 12 specimen, which you can see at the museum. Next to the lunar module, you can find a lunar roving vehicle used in later moon missions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated. Now that we have an overview of the U.S. Space and Rocket Center, let's begin our virtual journey. What an amazing journey! It's incredible to think that all of this was created and put into operation during the early days of computers. I'm always amazed by the complexity of the machinery and how it didn't result in repeated failures. I admire the pioneers who took a risk and made it work. General admission to the center is around $20. There are additional options for simulators and tours. Parking is free. The snack bars on campus are not great and use a confusing touchscreen interface, which slows down the line and raises sanitary concerns. Make sure to bring your credit cards. Overall, this museum is excellent. If you're interested in space travel and its history, you'll truly enjoy the center. Please consider supporting us at patreon.com/AtlantaMusicCritic. You can join at any level, and your help will be greatly appreciated. Thank you once again for watching. This is Liam. See you soon.